Your coding assistant just made 5 commits and one of them broke everything. Or maybe that was you at 2 a.m. Either way, by the end of this video, you know how to undo any commit in Git without losing your work. I know, undoing a commit can sound scary, but it comes down to one question and 3 commands. The question is, have you pushed the commit yet? I'll show you reset, revert, and the safety net that gets you unstuck when you thought you lost everything. Let's build the mental model. A commit is a snapshot of your project at a moment in time. Head is just a pointer to the snapshot you are currently on. When people say undo a commit, they usually mean one of 3 things. 1, they want to undo a commit but keep the code. 2, they want the commit and the changes gone entirely. Or 3, the changes are already shared with the team, but you need to reverse it safely. Those are 3 different jobs, and using the wrong tool can have at a minimum annoying consequences like dealing with conflicts. So before you touch anything, ask, have I pushed the commit I want to undo yet? If the changes are still on your machine, use reset. Reset moves the head back, and it has 3 flavors that decide what happens to the code or the changes you made. The first flavor, the safe one. You committed too early, but the code is good. You want to uncommit and keep everything staged, ready to recommit. So git reset with the soft flag will undo the changes, but keep them there still staged. The commit's gone, but the work isn't. And the head tilde 1 just means 1 commit back. If you need to undo more than 1 commit, you can change the number 1 to the number of commits you want to undo. The second flavor is the default. Same idea, but your changes go back to unstaged. You can edit before you recommit. For this, you should use the git reset with no flags. Notice your files are untouched. You only undid the commit and the staging. Now, the third flavor, and this is the dangerous one. You want the commit and the change gone. The reset with the flag hard will delete the changes in those commits. Only reach for the hard flag when you are sure, because it is the one that people regret the most. But don't worry, even if you use the hard flag, you can still recover your work, and I'll show you how just in a minute. So soft undoes the commit but keeps things staged. The default removes the commit but unstages the changes. And hard throws commits and changes away. Now, the other side of the decision. Let's say you already pushed the commit or that it is on a branch that your teammates pulled. Don't reset it. Rewriting history that other people already have makes a mess for everyone. So instead, you should use revert. With git revert, you don't delete anything. Revert creates a brand new commit that's exactly the opposite of the one you want to undo. Your history stays intact. Everyone stays in sync, and the bad change is gone. You can revert any commit, not just the last one, by passing a commit hash. Git revert followed by the commit hash writes the inverse operations and opens a commit message for you. This means that if you added a file in your new commit, we'll remove the file. The history is there, but it's undone. That's the basic rule. If you already pushed it, revert. If things are still local, reset. Now, here's the part that will save your week. Say you ran a hard reset by mistake, and now you are in trouble. Because it looks like your commit and your whole work just vanished. But the thing is, almost certainly it's still there. Git keeps a log of everywhere the head has been, called the reflog. With git reflog, you see a list of very recent moves, each with its own hash. So all you need to do is find the state that you want to go back to, copy the hash, and reset to it. Use git reset hard with the hash from the reflog and you are back like it never happened. So before you panic about lost commits, check the reflog. 9 times out of 10, the work is sitting right there. Now the bad news. The one thing reflog can save you from is deleting the git folder itself. So, don't do that. A quick bonus for you. Because sometimes you don't want to undo a commit, you just want to fix it. Like when you typed the message wrong or when you forgot a file. Git commit amend lets you rewrite the last commit. Change the message or stage a forgotten file first and amend it with no edit to keep the message. Just remember, amend also rewrites the history, so the push or not push rule still applies. So here's your cheat sheet. Ask one question. Have I pushed the commit yet? If not, reset. Soft to keep it staged, default to keep it unstaged, and hard to throw everything away. If you push the commit, then use revert, which safely reverses changes with a new commit. And if anything ever looks lost, check the reflog, your undo for the undo. Also, remember the amend option to adjust a commit is still in your local environment. Those are most of the commands you ever need to fix or undo a commit in Git. If this made Git feel less scary for you, hit the subscribe button. I'm doing one of these every month, and the next one is about Git commands you actually use every day. And if you watched till here, tell me in the comments, what's the worst Git mistake you ever had to undo? In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the